Virtual Village is a place in which I enjoy collaborating with others through weekly presentations and conversations regarding specific topics. The structure of Professor Alston's courses helped me to become organized, feel comfortable using different technology tools, speaking in front of others, and prepared to work with others in the field of education. By the end of the course, the students felt more like a family versus classmates.
Hello everyone, my name is Tamia Isaac and I'm a former student of Miss Alston. I participated in the Virtual Village for a year and a half, so about 3 semesters, and I can honestly say that the Virtual Village was something that was different for me, but it was still beneficial, and it helped me grow as to be more confident when speaking. So for example, in the Virtual Village, every Tuesday and Thursday when I had to meet with Miss Alston and my classmates, we had an assigned chapter or article that we had to read for the week prior, and to pull out what do we think it was about, what was some key vocabulary, so we could share with our classmates. Also, we were able to share how did the article relate to us personally and professionally, or what do we learn from it, or can take away from it to better ourselves as educator, or what kind of skills can we use. So it was just really amazing to not only have to read the article by yourself, but you get to get the perspectives from your classmates. I feel like the Virtual Village helped me communicate better with my classmates. For example, I'm kindergarten, so what kind of skills are you using with your kindergarten students? And we learn from each other and grow from each other. So if you have the opportunity to participate in the Virtual Village, I recommend it because it's so fun. You can still just learn from each other, and you network and make connections. So take advantage, and thank you.
The Virtual Village is a place where I actively engage in learning with my classmates. The learning provided shared activities and team projects that were structured through discussions from chapter readings and articles and the utilization of multimedia. I really enjoyed listening and viewing how everyone's information individually and skillfully connected with one another. This type of learning gave me a deeper educational experience for me to retain information in the virtual learning approach.
Hi, the Virtual Village for me made online classes easier for me, and I was able to understand. I'm more hands-on, and usually online classes I don't do so well on. But I really liked the Virtual Village because I was able to interact with fellow students, unlike regular online classes where you don't interact with any student or teacher. And that's what I like about the Virtual Village.
The Virtual Village is a place where you evolve as a professional and as an educator. It's a place where students come together, they can share enlightening ideas, they can debate or discuss what was read in their books or articles. I think what makes this a great learning environment is the rapport that you build with your classmates and your professor. I know for me personally, I was able to grow through all of my challenges, whether that was presenting information, creating engaging PowerPoints, or just handling and working with technology so that I could fulfill what was asked of me for all of my projects. But in all, it's a great experience. Your classmates are there to help you every step of the way, as well as your professor. And personally, it has helped me to build more confidence within myself. It strengthened and grew my character, and it also helped with my professional and my leadership skills.
The virtual village is a place where you feel comfortable collaborating with other classmates for a learning experience that will teach you and answer any questions or concerns you may have about a chapter or article that week. It's a place I grew to love because it taught me about how to collaborate with other classmates, effective teaching methods, better presentation methods, and exploring technology I had never been introduced to. Overall, I feel as if every distance education course should be centered around the virtual village.